xCool reached out to me. He asked me if I'd be interested in evaluating one of their laser levels. Specifically, it's the 3-in-1 laser level tool with dust collector and laser level span. I've never had a laser level. They always seemed a little bit to be priced out of the reach on what I was willing to spend. This one is priced very affordably, so I thought it'd be a great way to check it out and see how well it works. I'll leave a link in the description. You can get these on Amazon or on their website at coolgadget.com. I'll give you a discount code there so you can get you a little bit off if you're buying through Amazon. Go check it out if you're interested in getting one for yourself. All right, let's get this unboxed and check it out. There we go. So, got a user manual. Got a stand there. Silicone cover. We'll have to figure out what that one's for. And it looks like it's got the dust extractor and the laser level already attached together. And under here, we got let's see, this USB-A to USB-C and a little pad. Let's get this checked out and we'll see how well it works. I'm hoping this works really good because, like I say, for this price point, having a laser level would be really cool. So I'm going to check this out and see what we can do with it. All right, so let's take a look at this xCool laser level. The coolest thing about this whole deal is that you stick it on the wall, you look into the little bubble there, and you get it completely level. You go ahead and turn it on, you push it again, and it's going to suck itself to the wall. So the top row of lights there shows you how much battery you've got. The bottom set of lights there shows you the suction. So now we're going to go ahead, hold down the light, and we're going to turn the laser on. Now, the cool thing is it's shooting the laser all the way across the wall there. Now, I get it. You say, okay, well, I've got a level. But yeah, you come over here and you want to have okay, let's get a mark here. And now I've got to come over, get that level, make another mark here, and come way over here. You might have to measure 3 times to get across that wall. Or you can just shoot the laser across here and see what's completely level from one side of the wall to the next. All right, now let's take a look at the other way. Turn it off. We'll get it off the wall there. We're going to go ahead and shut it down. Now, we could say, okay, I want to be able to have something that is completely straight up and down. So we'll turn it back on. Turn the suction on. Hit the laser. And now we've got a straight up and down line. Because without something like this, you're going to have to try to pull out a level, get it completely level, and say, okay, I want something every foot. You're going to have to try to hold the level with one hand, hold the tape measure with one, and some way make a mark, and so on. Now, it would be just as simple as having the laser line. You're simply going to hold the tape measure there, measure down 12 inches, another 12 inches, and make your mark and go. It's just really, really easy. Now, one of the additional cool features about this, you push the little button here, remove the dust collector, and now you can replace the dust collector with this mount. So if you have another laser level, you actually mount it to here, and you don't even have to turn on the laser. You're just using this as a mount. It's going to stick to the wall, and you put your laser right here. There's also, this is a 5/8 inch screw. Typically, cameras go on like a 1/4 inch screw, but there are adapters on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description that you can adapt this so you could actually put a camera mount on here too and hang your camera on the wall. So you can use this for more than just lasers. It's a really cool setup. And you sit here and watch. You can see it's starting to drop the suction a little bit. So once it drops a little bit more, it's going to re-energize and it's going to turn the suction on and make sure this thing sticks to the wall. And this is not a flat wall by any means. This is a very textured wall, but it's still doing a great job of holding its suction there and keeping the laser on the wall. So one of the coolest things is this little included dust collector. So you need to drill a hole in. Well, you don't want to just drill into the wall and have the sawdust and everything and the dust from the drywall fall and hit the floor. And then as you drill, all the dust goes into the dust collector. So this 3-in-1 laser level from xCool is really cool. I hope I've shown all the features in a way that makes sense. You can use it as a laser level. Just use a straight line, either horizontal or vertical. You can attach the stand to it and actually hold a laser level and shoot the laser around the room with this being stuck to the wall, so you don't have to use an additional tripod stand. And you can use the included dust collector as you're drilling holes in the wall to keep dust at a minimum and be able to trap it inside here so you're not having a big mess to clean up afterward. If you'd like to check out one of these for yourself, you can check out the link I'll provide in Amazon, or you can check out the Cool Gadget website. Thanks for watching.